So cooking for one, it's not so bad. Just need to lower your portions or cook enough where you would basically be meal prepping, so you can kind of do like I do, and basically this will be what I would do to meal prep. So I have 5 chicken wings in here, which I did haul and show this big bag of chicken wings, and I just been craving chicken wings. So what I did basically was take this salsa, and I didn't like the salsa very much and it was too hot for me, but I didn't want to throw it away, even though it's saying medium. So I poured the salsa in there, and I put 5 chicken legs in there, and I turned it on high. I don't know how many minutes to let it cook, but I'm just going to let it cook until it looks done. And I'm going to be using my teeny weeny baby rice cooker. Anyway, there's a line right here that you use for 1 cup of rice, and I have the organic rice in this container right here. So I'm going to just rinse it off, put the water in, and I have some asparagus in here. So there you have the little pot of rice. All I did was fill it up with water, put 1 scoop of rice in there, and then I pressed this little button down right here, and this is just the chicken inside of salsa, no other seasoning. And this is what I'm meal prepping along with asparagus. I'm all done preparing my meal for one, and look, I have meal prep dishes, so I can kind of separate these out into some meals for the couple of days, like for instance for lunch and dinner. So there's my, it's prepared in my rice cooker from Amazon, and this is my chicken that's been simmering and cooking inside of a jar of salsa, and that's all I added to it. And it's like 5 chicken wings, and this is the salsa that I use, and I just dumped it in there. And this is my Pioneer Woman crock pot. So here's what things are looking like, and I will go ahead and plate this for you. So with my little scooper here that came with the rice cooker, and along with this little cup to measure out your water and your rice, just going to take a scoop of rice, and this is basically not like my meal. I'm just going to sample it this way. So there you have that, and then I'm just going to grab my little miniature prongs and grab up 1 chicken leg. Now I know that if you cook stuff too long in a crock pot, it'll just cook off the bone, so you want it where it's just done. And then, as I've said, I was just going to have some asparagus that I was going to add to that. So here we go, and there you have it. A little bit of rice, 1 piece of chicken, and some asparagus. And basically I'm sampling this, and then the rest I will meal prep. I've already eaten a big lunch, so I'm not that hungry for dinner, so this is perfect. So I'm just going to sit the spoon out of that, put the little lid back on there, and for this I'm going to put the top back on this, and I'm going to turn it from keep low, which is keep warm. No, it isn't. They have a keep warm, to off, because I don't want it to fall off the bone, basically. So there's my meal, and I could walk away, didn't have to hang around to watch this or monitor it. The light here is switched off by itself once the rice was done, and the same if you put quinoa in here or anything like that. And this, of course, you know, you can put it on low or high depending on if you're going to be at home. I was home today, so I put it on high, but if I were to leave, I would probably put it on low. And there you have it, and this is plenty. So again, this is some what do you call it, asparagus, and this is just the tip, the soft part, and this is a scoop of rice with the 2 chicken wings in each that was cooked inside of this crock pot. And the crock pot has the leftover sauce mixed with the chicken juice, I guess, simmer in there. So I think you can like throw some potatoes in there and make a whole separate side dish. So that's the end of this video for making a meal for one. Thank you so much for watching, and again, thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. See you on my next video.